Okay, here we are at 1999 Christmas tree trimming party. Santa's here in the chair. Say hello, Santa.
Ho, ho, ho. I
Nice.
have my elves trimming my tree.
Yeah?
Yes.
And who are the elves? Can you introduce them?
We have Tracy
There's Tracy.
and Marie.
The Queen Elf.
We have the
Tracy and Marie.
and what part
Santa's
of
helpers.
I'm an elf in training.
elf in training? So what part are you? Shalom.
She's a converted elf.
Okay, what part are you doing now? Oh, you're putting the pearls on.
Bring the pearls. Kidding.
This is all under the direction of Santa. You giving orders?
When that
I'm
you
giving
cannot
I'm
do
the
this.
boss.
I'm the senior elf.
Yeah, we know that.
Senior elf here. The senior elf knows pearls.
We got the Christmas music. Alright, at this point we're going to go upstairs and we'll take a look at the house while they're getting this done, and we'll see the other Christmas decorations. There we got the rockin' Santa downstairs. Okay, here we have the nativity scene and Doreen's.
Right, with Margie putting the lamb in the...
Margie
She put the lamb in there.
put the lamb in the... Oh, okay, yeah, it's empty now. There we
There's
go.
the three wise men, the angel, some camels. It's a whole thing. Let's cruise over to the village.
Okay, over to the village. Okay, there's the first village, and we'll pan across.
This is the hotel.
Hotel, why don't you
The
narrate?
lights of the tree have to go on, but they're not working at this particular moment. The skating rink should go on. No, the batteries are out. So we should have got the batteries. Anyway, they're all skating happily. City Hall, the mayor's right there, wishing everyone a Merry Christmas.
Let's get a close up on the mayor there. There's the mayor.
There he is.
Okay.
Now we walk down the path, and here we have Tinker's Toy Shop. And what? Margie again.
What did she do?
The bum on the
Where's the bum?
right here, on the thing.
Oh, there he is.
Margie strikes again.
The bum on the bench.
Right, carrying a present.
Okay.
Then we pan to the church and the choirs. Two people singing outside the church. And the father bringing the kids back into church because they left early. Notice the stained glass windows, hand painted in Rome. Flew over here direct.
There it is.
And we have some fresh baked bread here. And we have the
Let me
Noble
get to the bread.
Tailor.
Hold on, I'm at the bread here. Fresh bread. 3 cents.
It's
Not
cheap.
bad.
Yeah, well, little puppy dog. And we have the Noble Tailor. And then, my favorite, the Hoffman House of Cigars.
There it
And there
is.
he is smoking his little pipe.
That's a beauty.
They all come from Cuba in that place. You wouldn't believe the little cigars that come out of that little house. And there you go. Oh,
right.
and up. Santa coming down the chimney.
Ah, wait,
We're
where
coming
is he?
down a piece of driftwood.
Where is he? I can't find him.
He's up.
He's up there, he is.
He's waving to the town. He's coming in to bring you presents.
Alright. Now back to the tree trimming. Alright, we're making progress here now. We got the apples going up.
The apples are done. Hearts together.
And what's going next? Hearts?
We got strawberries over there.
Oh, there's all the goodies in there. Getting ready for the new millennium.
Jewel was on
Isn't she
She
great?
sang, she was on the View today.
Her album,
And she sang
Joy.
Ave Maria. It was so
She's
beautiful.
incredible. She's incredible.
Here, Marie.
What?
Oh, thanks, son. I'm very busy.
So what do you think, Santa?
Grace, what can I
Is
get
it
you?
coming along good?
You're doing a wonderful
You okay
job.
right now?
I'm
Yeah?
so happy
No.
with the
What do
tree.
you want?
All right.
Fine. Red? Red. Thanks.
All right, we'll check back in a minute. Okay, here it is, the final product.
I'm only kidding you.
Santa gives it the thumbs up.
It's beautiful.
Where's Doreen?
Oh,
Get
your
her in here.
angel. Roz, your angel is
Maureen.
beautiful.
You gotta
Yeah.
come and see this.
And it's perfect because you have to think of where most people are going to be.
Yeah.
Right there.
Right around here.
In fact, I think we'll turn my chair around
Yeah.
on Christmas.
Beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, Christmas.
Whoa!
Ain't it nice?
Yeah. Beautiful. What a great tree.
I
It
know.
is.
It's a beautiful tree.
It's a nice shape. It's a perfect shape.
It's really a solid tree. There's like no holes in it, you know what I mean? Look.
very
Yeah,
thick.
it's definitely
Aw, that's
professional.
nice.
I'm gonna get up close here and take a close-up view of things. Although this isn't focusing. It's totally out of focus.
Well, you took enough. You don't have to take any more.